The Winter Olympics are roughly a year away now, and very soon we're going to see teams achieving the extraordinary. But here's a secret. Success doesn't come from individual perfection. It comes from unified performances. You see, Olympic teams know how to turn individual limitations into collective strength. They do three things differently. Firstly, they leverage diverse strengths. Each member plays to their unique abilities, making the team stronger as a whole. Secondly, they foster a culture of support. They lift each other up, knowing that no one succeeds alone. And thirdly, they focus on the big picture. The team's goals always come before personal glory. And I've lived it as part of the Jamaican bobsled team, where we overcame our individual limitations to achieve what no one else thought possible. And I've also seen these same principles transform teams and organizations worldwide. When we push together, we win together. So let's work together to inspire your team to achieve greatness. Click on the link below to connect. And of course, keep on pushing.